I want to be talking about family planning, which is the intentional prevention of conception through the use of chemicals, devices, injection, drugs, and even some go as far as having a surgical operation. But the knowledge I want to bring to your notice today is the adverse side effects of all this family planning. If you want to actually understand the depth, go back to your doctor, ask him or her to explain to you the, the negative side effects of what you have been using. And if you understand it, you know that no man who proves to love the wife, or even no woman who wants to live, will actually go for it. That led to what I'm talking about today, natural family planning. Absolutely without drug. And nature, God, who is a perfectionist, has actually given us everything we need to live and be happy. And what are we going to be talking about today is simply the mucus sign, which is the mucus that is present in the vagina of a woman. If you look at it, every woman that go out to urinate, after urination, either she wipe or she wash. And most of the women may have in one time or the other same mucus after that urination. That is what we are going to be talking about, the meaning of that mucus and how it affects your fertility. I quite understand that we hear different noise on the street and the bus stops, that anytime a woman is seeing whitish discharge in her body, it means a sign of infection, which is totally wrong. For a woman to know that she has an infection, there are stages that she must have to go through. The first stage of an infection is it might result to a sensation. The second phase is that mucus which she has been seeing, the coloration be changed. And the third thing is she might even notice itching if nothing is done before it will lead to having a foul smell. As far a woman is not noticing any of these signs, we are talking about the presence of that mucus is an indicator for a woman to know all about her fertility, all about the time she can get pregnant, and all about the time she can avoid pregnancy. A woman is just only 30% fertile and 70% infertile, which is to say, for a woman who wants to get pregnant, sex is permitted at especially and mostly on the fertile phase. And a woman who is trying to avoid pregnancy can still use the infertile phase of a cycle. And what is a cycle? A cycle which is the first day of a woman's menses to the first day of the next one. It is what becomes a cycle of a woman. And that is why when we are talking about, we are not concerned about the days in your cycle. That is why when we are talking about, we are not bothered with irregular menses. And within the cycle of a woman, there is something that happens, which we call the ovulational phase. And once we are able to understand all this, we are good to go using the natural family planning for achieving pregnancy and for avoiding pregnancy. I know I can't talk about everything on this video. If you are interested in this topic, or you want to learn, or you know somebody that knows that you know have great need of this lesson, please share to that person. Let us come together. Let's learn in a group, because there we can be able to talk more and ask questions. Check this video. You will see a link. Follow me. Let's talk. Let's learn. Let's make marriage happy so that together we can take our tears from the eyes of those women that have been crying for childlessness or that have been dying because of the negative effects of the family planning they have been using. Come on, boys. Let's work together and make life better. Thank you.